Hello, what is up? It is me, Linnea, and I am in my car. I'm in my car because I realized I forgot to do an intro to this video, and this video is not even that interesting. It's literally just a little montage of going to the pumpkin patch this weekend in Kansas City. We went to a pumpkin patch called Powell Pumpkin Patch, in case you're interested, in case you're local to that area. It is actually in Kansas. It is not in Missouri. It's in Kansas. But if you're familiar with Kansas City, you know that it's Kansas City, Missouri, and Kansas City, Kansas, and it's complicated. But anyways, I realized I forgot to do an intro. This video is nothing special. It's just a little montage of our weekend. I just got back from... see my dog back there, that's Calvin. We had a dog play date today with his best friend Nova, so that's why I'm in the car. Anyway, the next video I make, I'm thinking possibly we are having some friends over for pizza this week, and I make a mean apple streusel pizza. I know that sounds bizarre, but I'm thinking maybe that might be the next video. I'm not sure. I need to think on it. So that might be the next video. I'm gonna get out of my car and I'm gonna show you all the pumpkins we got this weekend. Sorry. This is the pumpkin patch. It's a pumpkin patch where you actually go pick the pumpkins off the vine. There are a lot of pumpkin patches around that they literally just have the pumpkins in the field that have already been picked. Those are not fun pumpkin patches in my opinion. This one, actual good pumpkins. There's lots of variety of pumpkins. They're not just orange pumpkins. They're heirloom and they're really fun. We did corn maze. That was also fun. So I'll show you the pumpkins I got, and then you'll see the video. It's gonna be not very long, just a little montage. Mostly it's driving. It's literally mostly driving, so sorry about that, but we did do a lot of driving this weekend. Anyways, I'll be quiet. The next video will definitely be cooking something interesting, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. that's our pumpkins from the weekend. I got a little stack. See, they're all heirloom. And then I got these 2 little pumpkins here. The metal things that I have. I got them from like a little mom and pop kind of shop that does fun decorations out of old scrap metal. The witch is like my most favorite decoration that I own of all of my decorations. She's my favorite. I've kept my mom alive now for, I don't know, 2 years. Not 2 years. I've kept the mum alive now for, it's been 2 weeks, and she is alive. So, yeah, those are the pumpkins from the weekend. We had a lot of fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!